what we are doing, we are trying to take out this post, and well, first of all, it's broken, and leave this piece. I've already dug it out, but what happened is that we hit cement, so there's no way I can take this out here, and I can't dig any further down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dig another hole adjacent to it, about here. As there's no way I can, go any further down to get this out. So I'm gonna start digging that hole adjacent to the post. So as you can see, I dug the hole adjacent to the post. This is the hole here. I dug below the cement. You can't see the cement right now. That's because I poured some water in it. I poured some water in it to soak the ground so it would be easier. So what I'm gonna do is let the water soak for a while. Soak the ground. So then I'm gonna just use this and prise it out. So I'm just gonna let it soak a little more. But I dug below the cement, and then I'm gonna take the cement out, take the water out, so that you can see where I dug below the cement. Okay, so I took out the water, and now you can actually see the concrete. I still need to go a little below that concrete, and then I'm gonna just use that piece of wood and pry it out. But so I want to go close up so you can actually see the concrete. I definitely have to go a little bit more deeper and get below that concrete, so it would be easier to just pry it out. Okay, so I've dug this bad boy out. I'm below the cement now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna prise it out now. I dug out this hole all the way to the cement, and so what I'm gonna do now is just try to ease it out with my car jack. So I'm using a simple car jack just to pull this out. Pull this bad boy out. And it's out. It's out. It is out.
This thing is not stopping, it's still recording.
Okay, so I finally got this bad boy out. Yeah, but it's out, finally. And that's how you take out a broken, cemented, hey, that's a lot of cement. So if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe.